Welcome to Asian Adventures, everybody. This is Chef Frank, and I noticed you got this camera looking at the product here. This is chicken, and today's dish will be chicken adobo. I've had this marinating for about 3 hours. You see, we've got some bay leaf, some garlic in there. We got some soy sauce, some dark soy sauce, peppercorns, a little salt and pepper, and the rest is a little water. So what we're going to do is take this out piece by piece. We're going to sear it off stovetop, and we're going to go from there. So I'll just transition over here. There, boom. All right. We're going to keep this sauce, though, the marinade. We're going to keep that, and we're going to use it at a later point. All right. My first thing I'm going to do here, though, is before I do the chicken, is I am going to cook these onions because they're going to be used in the dish as well. All right. Keep that there. Let's grab some, look. All right. There we are. Don't do as I do. All right. And then now, I'm going to get these cooked down a little bit. Then we're going to move them off to the side for later use. Normally right here, I would season these onions down with some salt and pepper, but since we got a soy sauce marinade, I think it's seasoned pretty good. So let's go from that. And I'm not going to cook these onions all the way down. I'm just going to bring them about 50% until they're translucent a little bit. And then I'm going to pull them out because they're going to cook in the pot a little later. Go. Let's get some more heat. All right. Definitely don't want to overcook these. Let's hit that it's down to a medium. Turn off for a second. All right. I'm gonna crank that heat up a little bit. Make sure I got it medium high there. All right. This is the point at which we will add some chicken in here. I'm gonna add these big pieces first because they're gonna have to cook a little longer. I should have cut these down to a smaller portion, but I'm sort of cramped for time today. So there we go. Skin side down. Try to get a little color on there a little bit. Get that bay leaf out of there. All right. I think I'm just unfortunately cram the pan just a little bit for that. All right. What's left in here is wings and legs. And like I say, we're going to bring this probably 60% of the way done because we're going to finish it in the pot. And yeah, let's keep it going. Get a little bit of this out of there. Don't want that. I haven't got enough color yet on these, but I do want to start the cooking process on both sides here. So.
I mean, they probably sell it for what, 37? I'll give it to you for 20, 25 bucks.
Later. We got this getting close. The breasts are a little further off than the thighs, but yeah. Turn them back over. And one trick I use to test how done a protein is use your thumb, tap there, that's well done, This is well done actually, and this is more of a raw rare. All right. Oh, it's looking good. All right, we're going to move these over now. All right. Obviously, I want the bigger pieces in the bottom of the pan because they're going to take longer to cook. And here we're going to go with the wings and the legs. And the onions here, we're going to put roughly half of these on top of these breasts and thighs in this pot. I know you can't see, but I will show you shortly what I'm talking about. And just take the onions on top of the chicken and stuff in that pot there. All right. There you go. All right. Look at all that wonderful flavor building up in the bottom of this pan here. We're going to save all that as well. It's going to go into the pot with the rest of this. Right. So right now, I'm going to take the time to put this on in here. Oh. Alrighty. I want these to really start cooking there on the end. And yes, this is how that crap gets on the other side of the cooking eye there. We're going to have to clean that out tonight. But yeah. Alright, so these are good enough. So they're going to finish off in the pot. So I'm going to cut this off. Move our proteins over. And we're going to add a bit of onions here. And we're going to scrape off the last little bit of this delicious goodness here into the bigger pot. All right. I'll move this to the back here. Pop this over. And we're going to move it in and kick this on here. I'll show you what that looks like. I get you a better view. Right here. Up a little bit. There we go. There we go. There you are. And bump gas. Yeah. I'm going to bring this up to a boil. Then we're going to pop some aluminum foil on this and let this thing go for 30 minutes. Then I'll come back, check the temperature on it, and let you guys have a look. Put this foil on now just to be on the safe side. Doesn't have to go in super tight, but we just want to try to keep a little bit of that air in there. Flavor, I mean. Sorry about that. All right, here we go. Let's see where it's at. All right. Oh, yeah. That's what it looks like there. Sorry about that shaky cam work. Oh, yeah. It's going pretty good. All right. Hot, 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 hot. So we're going to let it finish up for a bit. Smells great, though. Oh. So, boom. I'll catch you back when it's done. All right. Pop that on. I'm gonna check the tip here on this thing, see where it's at. If I can hold on to it. Right in the middle here. And as you can see here, I think, hopefully, in the 170 range. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, it's in the 170 range. So that's perfectly good. So yeah, I'm gonna put this chicken leg under there a little bit. Just want to give it a few minutes just to make sure, and yeah, I want the sauce just to thicken up a little bit more. Yeah, so I'll see you back in 3 minutes. More like 3 seconds for you. All right. Uh, okay. All right, guys. This is the end product here. That's what it looks like. You can take it out, but we're going to use this sauce here. But this is what you're going to use on your rice, and yeah, you just pour this right on over that, right there, right there. Wonderful garlic here. All right. All right. Ready to go. Smells good. All right. So I will catch you guys next time while I plate this up. And you guys have a wonderful day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share if you can. And I'll catch you next time. Bye.